I'm Allison. This is Wonder Crochet. Today I am going to show you 15 of my favorite free fall crochet patterns. So as always, the majority of these are amigurumi, but I do have some fun blanket patterns in there, a cardigan pattern as well, just a lot of cute and cozy stuff to get you excited about fall. And don't be fooled, it is the beginning of August here. I am wearing a crop top and shorts under this flannel, but we had to give the cozy illusion that it's nice and blustery outside. The weather's cooling down, the leaves are starting to fall. It hasn't happened yet, but it will soon. And if you're a crocheter, this is me telling you it is time to start on your fall projects. So if you'd like to learn how to crochet from the very beginning, I have a full online course. I'll link that in the description. But if you're already a crocheter and you want to check out these fun, cozy fall patterns, let's jump in. Also, I have this cute jack-o'-lantern crochet hook. I'll link the creator in the description too, but this is going to be my prop today. I have the whole list here, and most of these I don't have with me in person. If I have made them before, I've sold them by now, but I do have some with me, so we can do a little show and tell, and that'll be fun. So let's start off with our first one, which is a pumpkin, of course. And this one is from Amigurumi Today. They have so many great patterns. So if you're a crocheter and you love amigurumi, make sure to sign up for their newsletter. I get the cutest patterns in my inbox almost weekly. And this is just a classic pumpkin pattern. It's so well done. If you want to add a cute face on it, you can. But I'll be starting to make a ton of these pumpkins soon because I am going to do a fall market. Surprise. I'm excited, a little bit nervous, but this will definitely be on my list. And number 2 is another pumpkin. Don't worry, this whole list isn't just pumpkins. These are the only 2 on here. So this is actually a fluffy pumpkin, and this is actually my tutorial that I have on my YouTube channel. I made it with burlap blanket yarn that had these fun colors, and there's nothing that I love more than a big fluffy crochet pumpkin. I love to decorate my house with them in the fall, and I'll be bringing these out pretty soon. Next on the list is actually another one of my free patterns, so don't mind the self-promo here. And this is good for an early fall pattern. It's my sunflower pillow pattern, and this is free on my blog. It measures almost 20 inches across, so this is definitely a doozy of a project, but it's completely no-sew. So no sewing required. You crochet the different petals onto the center and it's all one piece, which is fun. But I use this as a throw pillow. This will look really great in my living room come fall time. A lot of you have made this one already, which I love to see. So please tag me in your creations if you do make this one. And also, if you're more of a visual learner, I do have a full YouTube tutorial on this one as well. So that's number 3. Let's see, number 4. Oh, this is a really cute one. Number 4 is this cute candy corn plush. And this is by Crochet 365 Knit 2. Honestly, if you're looking for a one-stop shop for free fall crochet patterns, her blog is a great place to go. So many crochet patterns, it's awesome. And a big variety too. I loved making this cutie. And it works up really quickly. And I used worsted weight for this one, but it would work up really nicely and a lot bigger if you used a chenille yarn. So that's number 4. And number 5 is from Crochet 365 Knit 2 as well. And it's this cute pumpkin hat, and there's different sizes too, so if you want to do kind of a mommy and me type of thing, I won't judge. I think that's adorable. I've only crocheted a few hats before, but I'd love to make some more, and this one's definitely on my list. All right, our next 2 are 2 more adorable amigurumis, both by one of my favorite designers, Vincent Not Bad. This one is a caramel apple with removable caramel, which I think is so cute. Personally, I'm a huge fan of caramel apples. I know it's fall when I can go to a farmer's market and I can get one. There isn't much better than walking around shopping and eating a caramel apple. This will make cute decor too, or something just really great for your kids to play with. And our next amigurumi by Not Bad is Getty the turkey. What's more fall than a turkey or a pumpkin? And this cute pattern would look great in chenille yarn too, so it's definitely on my list to make for my niece or nephew. These next 2 patterns are from the Crochet Queen, Tony TL Yarn Crafts. If you want one place for incredible cardigans, sweaters, afghans, her blog is the place to go. The first one is this Kimmy cardi, which it just looks so chunky and cozy and soft. I wish I was wearing it right now instead of this flannel. I talk all the time about how I'm going to make crochet clothes, and I promise that I'm going to. Should I start with this cardigan? Let me know. I would love to have this in my closet. And Tony's patterns are so easy to follow. A lot of them do come with tutorials as well. She has an awesome YouTube channel. Go check it out. And another thing that she's amazing at is designing Afghan patterns. This is called the Matilda Afghan, and it just gives such cozy fall vibes. Just snuggling up by the fire with with a cup of hot cocoa or hot apple cider and pulling up this Afghan. I can't think of a better evening. And on that same note, our next two are beautiful blankets as well. This next one is by Surella, the Fireside Throw Blanket. The stitches on this one are just gorgeous. And could you imagine that in a burnt orange or a mustard yellow or sage green, just a deep, beautiful fall color? It's gorgeous, and I can't believe that the pattern is free. And our last blanket on this list is the Picket Blanket by the Turtle Trunk. All these blankets are gorgeous, but I'm obsessed with this one. Like the colors and the baubles on there. If you know me, you know I've never made a blanket before, but I'm saying it right now and hold me to it. This will be my first blanket. I'm going to start working on it this week. Let me know if you want to see my progress. I love the designs. I love the look of it. Big fan. All right, we have 4 more patterns to go, and we're moving back to amigurumi, of course. The next one is this adorable pumpkin pie. I feel like you either love pumpkin pie or you hate it. Personally, I love it. Although there's not enough whipped cream on this. I'm the type of person to cover the whole piece. But this is by Stringy Ding Ding, which is such a cute name. This is actually a very early amigurumi that I made. You can tell because I used worsted weight yarn, but I love like the ribbing on here to make the pie crust and the shape. It's so well written. If you're looking for a cute gift for young family members or just some tasty decor in the house, I highly recommend this pattern. It's really easy to follow. I followed it as a very early beginner. This next pattern is by Lauren, a Menagerie of Stitches, and she has these adorable bunnies that she changes the look of for almost every holiday and season, and I love that. These are of course the fall themed bunnies, and she actually has Halloween themed bunnies as well. If you like these types of videos, I'll do a whole separate one on free Halloween crochet patterns, although you'll see that my next two are Halloween themed, but it's okay. And I love that she did this, and you can do this with really any animal, but I love the bunny design, and having 4 separate designs in one pattern is so versatile. But if you've watched my other videos, you know I'm a huge fan of Lauren. She makes a lot of amazing amigurumi pattern physical books, so if you hop onto her blog for this pattern, make sure you check out her books too. They're really great. And then these last 2 patterns are by me again. This next one is more Halloween themed, and it is a bat pattern. I don't have the bats in person. My niece has both of them, the pink and purple bats, and she brought them to reading time at the library last week, and I just think that's adorable. But these are easy amigurumi bats. I have a full tutorial on my YouTube as well if you're more of a visual learner, and it's an easy amigurumi pattern for beginners to follow. And the fun thing about amigurumi is you can make things in just about any color, and it turns out really cute. So I haven't even made a black one yet, because as you know, it's difficult to see black yarn while crocheting. And this brings us to our last free fall crochet pattern. It's these little ghosts. This is on my YouTube channel. It's no-sew, before no-sew was even as popular as it is now, but it's super easy. This is made with worsted weight yarn, but it would work well in a fluffy yarn, and it's crocheted all as one piece with the little ribbing at the bottom, and then you close up the center. And of course I had to put my signature open mouth smile and happy eyes. And then I also made these other 2 ghosts that had different accessories just for fun. This one has glasses and a scarf, and this one has a bow and probably a pumpkin spice latte. But these work up really quickly. They're very easy, and you can customize them any way you want. I hope you enjoyed 15 of my favorite free fall crochet patterns. If you want to see more videos like this, comment down below what you'd like to see, and if you want me to do a Halloween version, I would love to. And as always, give me a follow on Instagram. You can see all of my new projects and everything I'm doing over there. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you real soon.